up, Yoda fam?
We're here right now.
What is the farm?
Imagine being a loser. Alright. I'm gonna. Alright, hold on. Alright, I'll record.
Wait, will that be perfect?
Yeah.
Oh, goated.
That's goated. Goated spot.
Chat, clip this.
Is that even gonna zoom?
This is where you can see my nudes.
Oh, look, Aaron made it.
No, Aaron, kill yourself. No. That's a spike trap? Oh my word. Ow! How did I get hit? What? Oh, we all died. Still trapped. Oh. No! Oh, yeah, it's too easy. That's too easy. Come on, bro, that's too easy. Oh, I almost thought you got shot. I almost thought you got shot.
How long has this been recording for?
I-T-B-O-Y-B-P-N-O. Oh, you hit your girlfriend, bro.
I stepped on loose.
I'm a fur.
Wawa. Yeah. Wawa. Wawa.
It's not your stuff.
Oh my goodness, bro. I think I overpaid. I think I overbought.
Your chips.
What'd you buy, Aaron?
Aaron, Rafi.
Pringles. Yay.
Do the little thing on the bottom. Look.
Here we are.
You gotta click this when you're in game. When you're in the shit and your gun's not firing, you have to click this.
Pretty cool.
Look at that. It's
Bah. Moon. Yeah, wait.
photo. And then.
Oh no.
You're just
Aaron.
gonna get to this side. Just make sure you're all the way on the side.
Aaron, we're gonna get hit. Aaron, we're gonna get hit. No.
So you can see.
We live in boys.
Look at Jimmy. Look Jimmy's gameplay. Jimmy's gameplay.
That's amazing, bro.
Oh, it's a Rafi.
This is Joe. This is Joe, the derpy furry.
Anyway,
Crazy, bro.
Rafi. Jimmy.
Oh
wait, no, he's boarded up further.
yeah.
Smart. It's because there's freaking toxic fungus in there. Yeah. Anyway, let's get a ladder.
Right.
Let's get a ladder.
I wonder what this place used to be.
I think it's like a retail store or something like that. Like yourself. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it's a smart thing. They boarded up the lower windows. Yeah, Isaac and I went.
Look at the rocks. Someone definitely threw this to break a window.
Yeah, Isaac and I went exploring, and Isaac's like, "Don't get out with it," because he saw the fungus. He's like the last of us, you know, turning into a zombie.
I'm gonna cut you.
Hey guys, welcome back. Did you just cut yourself?
Imagine.
Yeah, Rafi and I are vandalizing some stuff. Please support our stream. What do you have to say about yourself?
I love glass.
Okay.
Is there any other way in? Okay. Look at that. You could definitely break this.
My phone's flashlight turned off.
You wanna break the glass and open up the door?
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, let's do it.
Watch, there's gonna be somebody's face right there. Watch.
She goes, what are you doing in my house? Oh yeah, you guys can't see him.
This is literally the beginning of a horror movie. This is a bad idea. Don't do that.
I'm trying to see if the camera can't see inside, but I can. It's weird.
I'm gonna be honest, bro. I really gotta take a piss right now.
Bruh.
Oh.
Well,